Is this working? We in? Oh, there's some people in the chat. Hello? Hold on. Let me plug the stream. No, I don't want snipping tool. Hold on. Hi, I'm doing programming stuff today. Hold on. I have to plug my stream like everywhere. Hi, guys. Alright. Oh god, we need moderators. Ah. Background music is wavedash.ppt. As you can see. Alright, so. Might drop the volume a little bit. I'm sorry. I need this playing while I program. Tyler, thank you for the donation. Hold up. Just need that. There we go. So, here's the deal. I've been working on this website. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's just the donation. Okay. What happened here? That should not happen. Great. We're off to a great What happened? Why did these faces disappear? Is everything else still there? Yeah, those are... Why is 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦 down? So many spammers. What the heck? Alright. Slow-mo. No, not 60-second slow-mo. Maybe like 3 seconds. Why is 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦 down? That is not good. Is it because there's so many people like on it? Right as I start the stream. Why are my servers down? Oh, okay, now it's back. Is this a foreshadowing of what's gonna happen when I actually release the site? Is like the Robotop site and stuff working? Great. Okay. We're good. We're good. Can you show me the different... Yay! Okay, so basically here's the deal. This is a website I've been working on. It's by me. Alex helped with server stuff a little bit. You Crash helped with some of the design. And RobTop is literally everything else. You can do Geometry Dash stuff. So if I go to recent levels, these are the actual recent levels. Let's search up one of my own levels. I don't know, what's a level I made? Hyphen. You can see it's all there, and it's not featured, and probably shouldn't ever be. And you can actually go and like view it and stuff. You can see the details of 3,000 objects. Leaderboards are not done yet. I can even save the level. Wait, what else? So yesterday I added profile viewing. Posts and stuff aren't done yet, but you could see profiles and also people's levels. Here's Shoot 'em Up, which has 6666 objects and... What is it, a cop? Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I think it's just because I was sending it over to myself. Thanks, unknown. If you click play, yeah, I probably should have shown that. It just copies the ID to your clipboard. Also, profiles are still not done. The comment button isn't out yet, and these two buttons do literally nothing. And also, the spider doesn't have any legs. What else? Let's go back home. You can actually see you can see all your saved levels here. I guess Oh wait, it actually does it backwards. This is the most recently saved one, but it's putting it... I might want to fix that a little bit later. And you can purge all of them over there. You can also see the daily levels and stuff, so... There it is. It's asking me to Sure. That's actually pretty cool. You could translate the description. How'd you get the API to work? Stuff. Also, gauntlets and map packs are all there. So you could see your least favorite levels. Cough, cough, cough. Cough, cough. And there's also a map pack. A lot of map. I decided to give all the map packs an unofficial difficulty. So, like... I was thinking of making one of them hard, but I decided to keep them all as purple demons. So, today, we are going to be working on this site. Oh yeah, one more thing worth mentioning. I made it so you could just type the name of the song you want to search. So if I do, like, dry out, and then click search, it'll do all the dry out levels. And then, you can actually do this, some other cool stuff. Like, if you do, you can also do, like... the 7 C's to see all the hacked levels really quickly. And all the hacked levels are right there in front of you. I don't know, what's another one? What's it called? Knock him. There we go, you can see people really like hacking the levels. Striker. Or you could just type a Newgrounds song. So what's a Newgrounds song? Like... you planning on being game dev? I'm not so big on game development, actually. It's a lot tougher. So you could, yeah, you could just do searches. I made the demon search do this, just because I'm too lazy to add a little plus button. So let's search for an extreme demon like named Zodiac. That is XL. Hey look, it's Zodiac, and the difficulty face is... Yes, my name is Craig, I've revealed this a million... Why does the difficulty face keep disappearing? There it is. It looks a little uncentered to me. You could also hover over these and it just tells you what they do. Let's save Zodiac, because why not? Search for a level called Thanos. So yeah. It is an actual thing. There it is. Evil Thanos had taken over. Nice. It's a copy of something. So what's going on behind the scene? Also, it has an API. So 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦, who's a really awesome guy, he actually made this page for me. Well, I wrote it, but he made all like the CSS and stuff, the styling. API by web page by 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. Good job, man. This looks good. So I wrote this, but he made it look good. But yeah, how it works is you basically just search for whatever you want. So whenever I need to test a level, I use the level 128 just because it's the easiest ID to remember. So if I go to localhost / API, you can see this is all the stuff the API gives you. So like name is first level, doesn't have a description. This is how many likes and stuff. You can do API profile 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. Oh, where's it? API user. That's the 4.0 port.
Hey dude, weirdly enough when I was 7 to 10 my friend said that you're his cousin. Well if there is a Charlie then spill some beans.
I do not, yeah it's API/user. Is it? I do not know of a Charlie. No, I swear it's it's profile. There we go. I guess 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦 just is, no 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦 is one. Yeah, but you can see it also does like the profile and stuff. Alright, so on this stream, no, not Wave Dash. On this stream, we will be doing leaderboards because leaderboards are coming soon, trademarked. So let's do it. Yay! What programming language? I make the website with HTML because that's how you make a website. And then I code in JavaScript. Search up creeper. Wonder what happens if I do a question mark. Yeah, nothing. Creeper force. Alright. So, here's the T. We have to get leaderboards done. By the way, Marco, I never really said it. Thank you for the donation. No, I use Squarespace. No, I don't use Squarespace. Yeah. Okay, so now that the introduction has been made, does Hall of Fame work? Yeah, it does. So first thing we're gonna do is, I can close this now. This is just the code for like basically how it gets something from the API is that it just sends this little request with the level you want. I use Wireshark to figure out what to send. So I send this to the Geometry Dash servers, and then it sends me back. Here, I'll give an example. I know I'm kind of stalling. I haven't actually coded anything yet. Oh, there's the thing from the other video. If you say post this to my Geometry Dash, there it is. So here's how the Geometry Dash API works in a nutshell. So let's say you want to get a level, like 128. You're going to put that in, and then you're going to do, oh wait, no, you don't do that. That's for searching. Where's the download one? Here it is. So you're gonna do so download GJ level. Alright, gotta time this nerd out. So I'm gonna send a request to that. Secret is, well, what's the secret again? It is this. So you would do secret is whatever that is, and string is what you want to type. So let's say I'm not searching up anything, so 128 is the ID. Did I miss something? Secret and string and, oh no, it's level ID, not string. So you can actually use a program to like see how Geometry Dash gets this from the servers in real time. And it sends this absolute mess, which is really just, most of it is just the code for the level, but you could parse this together. You could see 2 years is when it was made, first level is the name. It's really annoying to do it, but you eventually figure it. Okay, so we're gonna do leaderboards. Browsing levels and players, exactly what it sounds like. Also, this button doesn't actually work yet. Maybe I should get around to that at some point as well. Does the search work with players? Yeah, I just answered that, not yet, but I'll get to that. There's no comments yet. That's probably going to be after I release the site. The site's actually up right now. It's gdbrowser.com, but it just shows this. Javi drew this for me today. I love it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the GD servers folder, which looks like this. We're gonna make a new HTML file, and I'm literally just gonna copy the one for searching, because actually I should probably get a screenshot of what leaderboards actually look like. That might be a good idea. You can't play the level, it just copies it to your clip. So we need a reference. I know leaderboards are like super broken, but who cares? So leaderboards look like this. I love how inaccurate they. You only have 100. I basically entirely only play on mobile. So can I pull this off? Well, I have the search code. I have the searching, which is basically the same thing. So I'm gonna rename this to leaderboard. This is just the HTML for the search page. So now if I like, let's open this in like Chrome. Okay, it's on the other, that's not right. Here it is. This probably isn't what I want. I might want to restart this. You know what? I'm just gonna like clear literally everything except for one part. Where is it? The only part I genuinely want to keep is where is it? Where's the little box? We called it Epic Box, I think. Here's Epic Box. And then this is Search Box. Good. So I'm gonna literally ditch everything except for this. Yay! And also the loading button, because I need that. So what does it look like now? And I'm gonna literally get rid of all the JavaScript as well, because we don't like JavaScript. JavaScript is annoying. This is very boring, but you guys are the ones who asked for it, so why do I keep clicking the wrong thing? What does it look like now? It just looks like that. Yeah, my name is Craig. I've revealed it like 5 million times. Tyler, thank you for another $2. Cool beans. I'm not joining the Juniverse GDPS. I really do not care for it. I'm sorry. I hate Geometry Dash private servers. Also, yeah, I showed you how it gets from the geometry server. So basically, it takes that. This code like splits it so that it turns it into readable stuff, and then it turns it into a JavaScript object, a JSON.
Hi geometry dash colon. Cool
Oh yeah, thanks for the
face.
donation. Sorry, I suck at saying thanks for the donation. So wait, what do leaderboards look like again? They look like this. Don't you love how the little L has a little piece chipped out of it? Yeah. I might as well leave Geometry Dash running, so if we'll work with mobile devices. I'm glad you asked. If you're on mobile, it looks like this. It says, yikes, your screen isn't wide enough to display this page. Please rotate your device horizontally. But if you rotate it, then I don't want a square device, I want an iPhone. And then I want to rotate. It works fine. It works fine. It works totally fine. See, if you make the screen a little bit smaller, it looks totally fine. There is nothing wrong at all. Haha. It looks perfect. Never been better. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wait, what? Why is... What? Actually, the gauntlet page is okay. Doesn't it look... Why is the X button up here? Okay, so basically, we're gonna make this show the leaderboard. So step 1. I have to get these little tabs. I'll get to the tabs later. So let's get our first little thing. Actually, so this is mostly just gonna be copying the search page. So I'm gonna go back to that. And just search for something random. Something that actually has result. Let's just search by trending. Thank you, GD-san. I'm completely self-taught with this, by the way. Just don't be afraid to try it. The URL is gdbrowser.com, but it's not out yet. There's still a million things. So now I'm gonna go into the source code of that one. Oh wait, it's use the thing to... That's not gonna help. Oop, no. Bring it back. If I just inspect Elemented, I should be able to get the HTML of this. So I just want to copy a single thing of this. Can I just copy that and paste it in? Also, I'm gonna comment out the... hold on. Style, display, none. Okay, now we don't have to deal with the loading bar anymore. There we go, beautiful. So what does our leaderboard look like now? It looks like this, but that's not a user. When is the website gonna be released? Whenever it's done with stuff. Yes, I use light theme when I'm coding. So, how are we gonna make it be an actual person? Whoop, no, not that. First thing first, I guess we'll replace the difficulty face with, someone's icon. So let's just do xmcgill007. So gdcolon.com/, do I remember this? It's tool/gdicon/imgs. Is that right? Is this a working URL? Yes! Alright. Keep opening them. I can close this now. And now, McGill is hard and 4 stars. Just as God intended. And then we'll change the star value to just a number. After this, I'm gonna use some JavaScript so that it automatically fills it up with the actual leaderboard. So completely ditch that. Actually, completely ditch that. Completely ditch that. And what is he? He's first on the leaderboard. Hello? Miguel, are you there? Okay, we want that to be gold, so just change the H3 to an H2. I think that's a little too big. Miguel, you're gonna take this long to load Actually, nah. Okay, maybe a little bit smaller. Class equals small. That'll do it. That did not do any. Is small even a class, or am I stupid? Is this even a CSS class? No. Add attribute. Wait, no. What if I make this smaller? Good, now it's too small. Yeah, do I have some better CSS in here, right? CSS is basically just what smiles. Alright, Susanna, have fun. Your channel is now permanently banned. Also, why Buster? I swear .small exists. Only .smaller, there's no small. Goodness. I have .what if it was purple, which turns it purple for the customs. Alright, I guess we're making smaller with, I don't think I need to change the text shadow. What is the normal size? The normal size of that is 8 VH. Let's do 6.5 and see how that works out. Still too big? Probably. Hotel Travago. Creeper, aw man. Captain Marvel, unavailable. Why does small still not exist? Do I have to do a cache reset? Ooh, wait, I never called it. Why does my phone keep vibrating? I got a text from Mom. Hold on. Are you guys home? Yes. QC says he knows a way to get your website to look good on portrait mode. Okay, yay! It actually doesn't look terrible anymore, but we need to add a little bit of margin to that. So, not size check. Small. Style is margin top. I don't know. I'm not using pixels for literally anything, because then it'll mess things up when you zoom. So like 1%, I don't know. There, you can see if I zoom, it does literally nothing, and I intentionally want to keep it that way, because if I don't, it'll be horrendous. Margin top, 2%. Good. But you know what? His name is not Cerno. It is 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦2007. So first thing we're going to do is completely delete this. Oh wait, no. This. 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦007. And that's the link to his profile. And his ID, I literally have no idea what it is. That doesn't have to be there. And I'm going to remove it from here as well. Because I am stupid. Great! What does it look like now? That is not what I wanted. What's going on in the chat? How are you hosting the website? DigitalOcean. Now I think it has to be bigger. So is this good? I think that's still a little too big. So let's use the small thing we just created, which I'm surprised does not exist. And then we'll completely remove... Wait, no, we want to keep this. Completely remove this. And add a little bit of don't think I need less space. I don't think I need translate Y either. What about now? We're gonna do margin. Wait, let's just do margin. I'm gonna do 2%, 1.0%, 0%, 1.5%. That'll probably be changed later. And now let's just constantly tweak this until it... Oh. That didn't work. Did it? Oh. That's not right, like, at all. Good, show me improvement. Yay! That looks way better. Although maybe a little bit to the that. Let's just make that 1. 2001. How about 0.5? How about literally just making margin top 2%? Good, I love it. Great, we have the first user done. Obviously, because they have lengths and stuff. So next we're gonna do diamonds, coins, user coins. Easy. Diamond, coin, user coin, demon. I'm gonna put this on the second monitor while I copy them down. So 12879, 149, 7219, and 1073. Wow, isn't it amazing? Show me it. I think I got some of these names wrong. I think the file's called silvercoin.png. And I don't actually think I have a file for demons yet. Do I? Assets. Alright, let's yoink one from the GD Textures rip. So, where's the demon? There's the demon icon. Alright, great, demon.png exists now. How are you so good when you've only 3 months of... I've been doing this for like a year. Great. I think it's a little too... Oh, wait, it's backwards. Come on. Wait a minute. What does a profile look like? Wait, what if I just ripped it from the profile code? Big brain time. This is big brain. Where are all the stars and coins and stuff? Big brain. Copy and paste. So what does this look like now? Is that what it was? Less spaced? Less spaced with a capital S. Come on. I'd call it an improvement. Let me clean that up a little bit by copying down the stats a little bit. So stars, we'll get to that a little bit later. You know, I'm just gonna type in random values for those. How many diamonds does he have? Also, wait, what order? It's diamond, coin, user coin, and no, we want demons. So we're gonna do... Alright, chat. Just give me some numbers. How many diamonds does he have? How many diamonds does he have? $69.69. How many secret coins? 420. User coins. Give me some user coins. Yeah, we already did 420. 1337 it is. And demons. 6666, because it's the devil number. That works out pretty well. So now, other than the fact that that is freaking huge, we're kind of going somewhere with this, I guess. Also, I'm going to change the size of that demon file. So let me open that up and paint on that and make it consistent with the others. Where is the diamond one? Here it is. Diamond is 100 by 100. Guess what, demon? You're being 100 by... I should not resize with nearest neighbor. That is not good, like, at all. Wait, I should actually give a name to this. So this is the... I have Firefox, I just prefer Chrome. I know it eats all your... What do I name this? What do I call them? Like...
Use Chrome, use Firefox.
I don't want to call it leaderboard stats, because that's... Leaderboard stats, fine. I'll get to that a little bit later. Just kidding, I'm doing it now. Also, I'll get to that demon thing a bit. So, it's gonna be kind of similar to this, except that I literally just... Can't I just do that? Great, so now the text is bigger. Well, let's fix up the, So make this leaderboard stats. Make the images, like, not terrible. And now let's just play with the values a little bit until it works. Use Chrome. Alright.
You use Chrome, use Vivaldi.
Let's do 20. I think 20 is the best size there. I don't even know what Vivaldi is. Also, I should probably remove that giant view button, because that's probably not going to be very helpful. Good. Also, I might want to space it out a little, so margin top 1%. 500 IQ. To 1.5%. Okay, maybe 2%. Maybe even 2.5%. I'm feeling dirty. No! No, 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 no. I know. How about just put this in regular leaderboard stats? I hate putting literally only one property in CSS, but sometimes it be that. Okay, we're making that just 2. Hey, what's up, Trinket? It's been a while. Does this look good, or should I move it? Does this look good to you guys? Why can't I deselect that? Let me deselect this. This look good? Look kind of fresh, though. Alright, I feel like the name needs to be a little bit bigger. So let's go back to that small tag that I just made, and let's bump that to 7, shall we? Cool beans! Now we have to add the star count. Let me go back to the search page for a second. Search Fortnite. Okay, so I don't have anything like that. Forget about that. I don't actually have to... Oop. Will the leaderboard be... So I'm gonna try to make like a better version of the leaderboard. Yeah, it does have the copy to clipboard tool. That is... If you click the play button in the middle, it copies it. And it actually works. Wow. I just lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Will the leaderboard be up? Yeah, so I'm gonna put together a list of like the best creators and the best players in the game. The reason the leaderboards are broken and frozen is because there's too many hackers that hack their star count that fill up the leaderboard. So he froze the leaderboards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a list of like verified players, and then I'll display their stats only in order. So now we have to put the star count next to them. So So this is gonna be dirty. We gotta get our hands a little dirty here. H3 class equals inline bra moment. How does this look? Definitely want that bigger. What's the font size on the 4.5? So, 4.5%. No, VH, not percent. That is not correct. Firefox isn't even that, like, there's nothing that makes Firefox that exciting. I don't understand. I know Chrome eats up RAM, but Firefox is just not good. Oh yeah, the Wii internet browser, that's the best. So we're gonna do star icon and then the number of, wait. Why are the diamond icons on the... How did... What? Wait a minute, what? So it says 6969 diamonds, but here it... Wait, what? Okay, so it is that, and then the... It does do number and then image. So that is what... Does it do that for star count? Yeah, it does. Sorry, I totally freaked out for a moment.
You're really cool, dude. Shoutouts to Colon.
Aw, thanks, man.
Lol.
Thanks, Jordan. Appreciate it. Yay! That looks not awful at all. Star. So we're gonna do the star. And actually call it stars. And then we're gonna make the width like... Or height like 6%. Could possibly go wrong. Yeah, what could possibly go wrong there? How big do we want this thing? I think 15%, 16%, 15.5. Hello, future people seeing this chat. I'm surprised you made it this part. I'm surprised this has 200 viewers. I did not expect this boring stuff to be so, like... Yeah.
Could you add me to the leaderboard? Smile.
Oh, who's that? Jordan, we'll get to that in a... This is just the top 100 leaderboard, so I'm confuzzled now. Let me go back to leaderboard stats for a second. Am I gonna want that as well? Yeah, I do want to translate it a bit. That just means, that's just fancy for move. Wow, it's like magic. Let me change that a bit. It's like at the eye doctor when they say, like, tell me when to stop. Okay, so 10 and 25. And then the height, you know what? Height is 16. Screw it. CP creator points? Why, do some of them have creator point? Some of them have creator points. Oh yeah, I have to do that as CP is a way to detect how many stars the player has. Yeah, I can pull that up.
Could you join my Discord? Lol, my friend told me to ask you that.
Unfortunately, I don't join random Discord servers, so sorry. Oh, how am I gonna find room for the creator points? Am I gonna add a scroll bar? Because if I want to make it like shrink the Tyler, thank you for the donation. If I want to make it shrink the thing, all right, let's add creator points and just see what happens. 21 CP creator point. What does this look like? Okay. Let's just hope that they don't have. Let's just hope that they don't have. Well, I mean, they can't have 420 coins technically. Let's just hope that they don't have 10,000 demons. Big brain time. Make the leaderboard frame larger. Yeah, I want to keep it consistent. We'll be fine. Everything will be a-okay. Hold up. Left 4%. I want to move the icon a bit to the left. So right now it's here. Push it over a bit. Let's push it over a bit more. 3.5. Great. And then we can actually give ourselves more room. Yeah, where's the actual div? Okay, that's pushing our luck a little bit. How did I actually... Oh, it's... I want to make padding left 15 PS. Yeah, it is a very nerdy stream. 15 VH was it? Great. So now it has wait, what? No. What did I do? What did I do? Stop that. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. That does not look right. Was it a different property? Let's just change it to inspect element and see what it looks like. How I could fix this issue. Maybe I could just make the width longer. How about I just leave it as is and hope that nothing goes wrong? Yeah. You know, would it just... Oh wait, I should also put a little spacing in between the star count. Good catch. Side space. Wrong side space. Yay. Isn't it wonderful? Colin, I once cried once. I have depression. If you listen to Billie Eilish, then you're like, oh my god. You know, I'm gonna like search result and I'm gonna add another class. Leaderboard slot, which will be similar to search result, but with a few changes. So leaderboard slot, starters, padding left, 15 VH, width 81%. Height, 20%. Put it together. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Alright, we're gonna make a few tweaks to that. Padding. Is 18 VH what it was before? I guess 18's the golden number. So let's put it back to that. Height. That means we could leave width the same. 2B2, oh god. 2B2T is kind of sketch. So we want this to be 25. 25. Maybe 24. 24, 25.
That worked totally.
I like 25. I still hate how there's a little, like, look at the little broken L in there. You can see it in Cool Dash as well. Yeah, 25 is funnier than 24, so we're doing 25. And then I might have to change the size of the that star, because it goes by the size of the star is determined by the overall height of everything. So what if I make that like 20%? Is that gonna be huge now? 19%. What happened to my live dash? I might have to make these a little bigger as well. And we'll make this like 22%. Great! Oh no, someone's calling me out. Someone's calling me out for the bad HTML style attributes, not using live server, eyeballing like all the value. Yeah, I've been exposed. I'm terrible at this. Well, I'm glad you're having fun on the stream. I use a lot of style attributes. My rule is that if you're only using it once, number one, if you're only using it once, and number two, if it only has one value, just put it in a style attribute. I'm lazy, and I'm too lazy to get an actual live editor. Which brings us to this. So now, for testing, we're gonna make a second one of these. So copy, and then comes the fun part. Paste. There are supposed to be 2 of those. Oh no, did I put an ID somewhere? Yeah, that should be a class. Leaderboard stats. And just completely remove the ID there. So this one's better. So now leaderboard stats is a class. So it's not gonna be terrible anymore. Wait, collectibles was an ID over here and it worked fine. You know what? We'll be fine, I'm sure. Copy. Paste. Are there 2 of them? Why are there not 2 of them? There should be 2 of them. There should be 2 of them. Oh, I see. Because, it should just be that. I literally copy and pasted 2 of them over. You know, something tells me that one's not right either. This doesn't seem too correct, does it? I love how you can even click it. Happy birthday to you. CSS will do that to you. How the heck did this happen? No, seriously, how did this happen? Because that should be there. Should it? Yeah, that should be there. /div. Also put this like that. Way! Why is there like a big blank space right there? Oh wait. Yeah? Oh wait, it's just because the... Where'd the image go? And the number. That number should be 2.
Go to it as privacy.duck go good.
I'm not looking for... Why is it layering them right on top of you? Oh yeah, because I used the little thing to put that the right way. Okay, you're gonna see my super lazy approach to that in a bit, so get hyped. In the meantime, so this is where the JavaScript comes in. So now we're gonna take this and delete it. And now we're gonna take all this. And, also, in the news, we're gonna have to move this over to the actual website now. So wait, no, here's index. Okay, so... Oh wait, yeah, I'm fine. Anyways, here's the T. We're gonna go API/search. When you visit user search, it'll bring you to... Oh wait, no, we're doing leaderboard. it'll bring you to the leaderboard file. This will be important later on because we're doing server-side stuff. So let's try it out. Node index. Localhost / leaderboard. Great, it puts us here. So the big difference is that now I can actually fetch from the site. So we're gonna do a script tag. And since I don't remember and I'm lazy, I'm just gonna do a quick copy and paste to this. Wow. Okay. Boop boop, it's gonna fetch API / leaderboard. And then it's gonna console log what it fetches. So here's basically what it's gonna do. It's gonna go to localhost / leaderboard, which will soon, to give me this. And would you look at that? It's the entire leaderboard. It goes down to 100. Want to make it higher? How about we do and count equals 5,000. I put a limit on, but look, now we can go all the way down to 22,500. That's the limit. You could actually go longer, but I put a limit so that RobTop servers wouldn't get screwed. RobTop just made it so you could get as many as you want. I tried looking at the creator leaderboard, and I believe... Let me check. I think I talked with Viperin about this. Oh, I'm more sent. Let me look at my... Okay, wait. I want to go to Viperin's DMs just because I told him, so I have the exact number. And what is it? Creator? Okay, so this is the creator leaderboard. Where is it? Okay. So if you go to the creator leader... Oh, wait, I only put it up to 2,000. But the first person on the creator leaderboard to have 0 creator points is 3,655. So that means RobTop has given 3,656 people creator points, which is actually pretty good. 300,000, well, different people, that is. So you can see all these people only have... And that means technically if I searched colon, I might be on this list, but it's super laggy and slow. No, I'm not on it, unfortunately, even though I have 2 creator points. Screw you, Columbia Dash. You're taking my... Oh, wait, you have 12 CP. Never mind. Do you have Mario Kart Tour? No, I hate free mobile games. I only buy my mobile games. It sounds spoiled, but you're just going to waste more money on free mobile games. Is website coding hard? When it comes to website coding, I'm a huge masochist, so whatever. Is this one new item in your invite? Oh, it's just an invite. I'm just going to decline it. You should have more rate. Can you do a programming tutorial? It's kind of hard to do that. Say yeet, please. Yeet. Alright. Yeah, I do everything on mobile Geometry Dash. I make levels, I play levels. The only thing I use Steam Geometry Dash for, is streaming and figuring out how Geometry Dash gets stuff from the database. And making the pacer test level because I needed a song that wasn't on Newgrounds. I'm not calling it a non, that just sounds weird. Alright, so yeah, it fetches from that leaderboard. Let's see what it gave us. Look, it gave us everybody on the leaderboard. Position 1, X McGill. Position 2, Shaggy, Michigan, Cool Dash. Everyone, the whole gang's here. So now we're gonna put them in one by one by taking this code. And we're gonna make it use this for, also, can I format this? It just looks ugly. Great. Looks nice now, thanks. Okay, so guess what? That is being totally deleted. Hooray, and it's going down here, where we are doing, some jQuery, which is just easier JavaScript. Search box. Dot append this. So now it's gonna put this in the search box. So we're gonna start with that. As you can see, it's like nothing's changed. Buy Sans and Smash. I don't have a Switch, and no, I don't want one. So now we're gonna do this. We're gonna do res.for each x this. So what this means is that for each person in the leaderboard, it's going to run this code. Also, just for testing, I'm going to change this to only the first 10 people, 12 people on the leaderboard. I feel like 12 is a good number. Mystic, thank you for the donation, by the way. It's not that I can't buy a Switch, it's that I do not donate to me. I just don't want to Switch. I personally feel like I'm only going to play on it for like a week and then I'm never going to touch it again. So basically for each person in the leaderboard, it's going to run this code, which means we should see a lot of people. There we go. This is what you see before you die. This is the true Geometry Dash leaderboard. What happened there? Seriously, why is that a thing? I think I did something about that on the search page. Oh yeah, once that's done, it puts a little blank space at the bottom. This is very similar to what I did for the search code. So after that fun stuff, it's just gonna put a little blank space at the bottom so we don't have hell. Yay. Mystic, thank you so much for $10. I can't put people on the leaderboard. This is just the Geometry Dash leaderboard. And we're gonna make it that way now, watch. So now, the name will always be changed to, x.username. So you'll actually get the proper username now. So we're gonna do this bit by bit. So now we have everyone's usernames. Isn't that wonderful? And now we're gonna do all the stats. So x.stars, x.diamonds, coins, user coins, demons, CP. What do we have now? Look, we have people's actual stats, and none of them flood off screen. It's a miracle. We'll get to icons in a little bit. Are these synced up with the ones in game? Yes, they are. Look at it. It's... Oh my days. Whoa, no. Stop accidentally clicking on profiles. I do this so much. I hate I feel like these have to be closer to the top, the names. So the good thing is that if I change the code for like just one of these, it changes it for every single person on the leaderboard, which is nice. So margin top, let's make that 1%. And now they'll all be 1%. Good, they're a little higher up. 1.5%. Buy a Guitar Hero controller. Maybe. Okay, so now we actually have to do the icons. And the way I'm going to do this... Okay, wait, let me put the leaderboard position on. So this is where things get a little technical. There's definitely an easier way to do that. But you know, that easier way means you actually have to have knowledge of... Is it called position? Let me go... You actually have to have HTML knowledge to do that. Hold on, localhost. I called it localhost 2000 because it's like kind of like 2.1 and I like multiples of 1,000. It is rank. What's EUM? Thank you for the donation, by the way. And then this will be x.using. So, prepare your eyes. Yeah, I just put on the Celeste Wave Dash background music. Wavedash.ppt. Prepare. Rhythm Heaven Megamix is released. Okay. Prepare your eyes for the most cursed thing you will ever see. Yeah, this is from the online icon kit. Ready? Here it comes. I just gotta click F5. I said Fanda... Whatever your name... Fanda Caretta? Is that Caratilla? Cool Dash's actual stars say that. It's just that, RobTop froze the leaderboards. So unfortunately, you can't see the real stats. I'm gonna fix that, though. Anyway, so, ready? Here we go. Isn't it? Also, this is what happens when you zoom. As you can see, it's basically nothing, which is nice. Because I don't want zooming. It looks wonderful. Every single icon in position layered on top of each other. That's why we're gonna do a little... We're gonna drop a little thing in to help out with that. Where is it? Ooh. And that means we had an error. Y is not defined. Let's define Y. So X is going to be the actual person on the leaderboard. Y is going to be their number. Okay. So that's some progress. There should be 12. So now it's just a matter of messing with the numbers until we get something that works. So this is the... Ever done graphing? Well, this 6.5 shows the initial position, and this one shows how far apart each one is. So let's change this to like 25. Ugh. No. How about 29? Too much. 27. Something... Okay, so probably not 27, considering it's slightly too much. How about 26? Doesn't look like 26 either. 26.5. As you can see, this is super fun. This is what I spend my afternoons doing. And I've been... Okay, it's slowly going off. Also, let's fetch some more people from the leaderboards. Let's do top 25 so we can get a better idea. Is it too much or too little? It's slightly too much. So 27.6 that, whatever I type. Okay, it's still slowly but surely bleeding off. So 0.65. Where have I heard this? This is the Wave Dash PowerPoint from Celeste. I think I got it. Look at that. It's... I feel like if I... Let's just fetch the top 100. Let's see if it gets progressively more cursed as it goes on. Yeah, you can definitely see something's up there. 26.6. Was that too little? Nope. 26.6 seems like the perfect number. Good job, team. We did it. Okay, maybe like 26.5. Nah, time labor's copyrighted. Okay, yeah. Let's try this. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Why is it not loading the icons? There it is. Oh god, it's gonna have to load 100 icons. That's gonna stress my servers pretty... Actually, nah, I can do it fine. Right. Okay, great, great. So, I guess that's the leaderboard? And you know what, just for fun, we'll fetch the top 250 people. So you know what? The leaderboard now shows the top 250. I swear if loading all those icons crashes the website, which I think it'll do fine. Yay. So now, I know if CP is 0, hide this. I'm lazy, I'll get to that later. But watch out, we still have a whole second leaderboard to do, and it's gonna be, like, very simple. Because it's just changing literally one line. Watch this. Want to get the creator leaderboard? And creator. Boy, what happens now? Whoa, would you look at that? It's the creator leaderboard. Here, look, it's Viper, and at the top, as always, hogging the CPA. Remember Zenthic Alpha? Of course you don't. He has 220 CP, but literally everything else is 0 for some reason. Also, he has a bunch of levels. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What about... Why is it not scrolling anymore? It was supposed to scroll when you drag. What happened to that? Where'd it go? Okay, it's back now. Remember Glitter Shroom? Nobody does. I wonder how low this CP leaderboard actually goes. What's past 100? Hey, wait, is Pause right on a... Hey, Pause is almost on the actual leaderboard. I could probably do a search. Okay, give me a person to search. Yeah, you can actually search for people. That's pretty cool. I mean, that just looks weird. Let's just see who's down at 250. 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦𝗡𝗦. I have never heard of this guy. Let's find out who he is. He makes levels. Wow, I never would have thought. Hey, can we get a... Okay, wait. This is actually just me wanting to do this because I like doing this. I want to see RobTop's comp. I want to see if RobTop's made any new comments. I like seeing it just to see if he hints at 2.2. Okay, 1 week ago he said, "Oh my, oh my, oh." This is how I see RobTop's comments instead of opening up Geometry Dash. Last week he said this is just... Okay, so he hasn't actually put... Wait, he posted a YouTube URL? He hasn't posted since last week. Aww. Anyone come from RobTop's? The whole chat is geometry. Okay. Oh wait, I should plop in the back button. Good point. Guess what? We have a back button now. It's literally the same effect as just clicking this on this button, except it's also here. So now we have a leaderboard. So now we need a way to actually switch between these two people. So okay, wait, this is a completely different texture. Huh? This is a complete... Look, this one has a thin top. This one has a thick... Is there a texture for that? Is there a texture I missed for that? Because I know it has all the borders. Okay, table side... Oh, tabletop 2. Here we go. Let me get my version of that up and running. Make a tab where it says 2. So there's gonna be 3 tabs: regular, creator, and an accurate. It's the right poo sub. Also, that joke is dead. And an accurate version of the leaderboards. So where's my? There we go. I have epic box, leaderboard box. I'll call it. Open that up. Spam. Okay, bye Jordy Dalo. You get a timeout. Hold on, let me read some DMs quickly. Let's publicly humiliate everyone. Orange, I'm gonna do this on the other monitor, so I don't actually... Orange with the Senko-san profile photo asks what text editor do you use to code. Visual Studio Code. Amor Ultra says, you there? No. Cosme says, will you take level requests? No. I can't read the chat because Discord's on the other monitor. Normally the chat is... Yeah, I just realized I did open the wrong file. Spooky Trigam sends me a meme. Husey sends me, oi, read chat. Wait, I think he sent me a DM on Twitter. Facecam makes me kind of uncomfortable. So now we're gonna... Wait, did I accidentally remove that border? Great, guess we're going back to GD textures. Why is 2.2 taking so long? And other jokes you could tell. You're just kidding, it is taking forever. Okay, I have to first resize this to be normal. Oh, wait. This is gonna take a little bit of there we go, that's one side done. And great. I'm not playing any music on the site, don't worry, I'm not out of my mind. And then so this border right there. And then we're gonna delete this. We're going to delete that. Wow, look, it's the leaderboard box. What do you mean it has a slight shadow? Oh, I see. It has a little shadow. It's just HTML borders don't really like doing that. So, also I'm gonna trim this. Actually, no, I do want to keep it this way for... I saved it as a PDN. I'm smart. Yeah, I know. WebKit and stuff. WebKit. Where did I accidentally save the PDN file? It's probably up here. No, it's probably in the, Why do I have GG? Oh, I've used it so many times that it's there now. What am I saying? Leaderboardbox.pdn. No, I don't want. Did he get the idea from Mario Maker Bookmark? I totally forgot that site existed, but I did realize it a little bit later when I was developing the site. The chat is all just F and oof. Let me hide this from my sidebar. That's cocky. Oof, foo. Do you still like your YouTube profile photo? Do you want to change it to your Twitter one? Nah, I'm leaving my YouTube photo as my YouTube one. I love my new YouTube profile photo. Foof, stop, oof, XYZ, oof. How many demons did you beat? I don't know, 20. My last one was like, my hardest one was like Decode. Or X. Okay. Back to the leaderboard file. So now it's called Epic Box. Is that? Time to use more style tags just to annoy everybody. Was it called leaderboard box? Was that what I called it? Yes. What's up with spam, guys? No, keep spamming. Ooh. Yeah, I'm scared. I am scared. I don't like this. Okay, wait. Maybe I should just put this in CSS. Guess what? Instead of epic box, leaderboard box. Also, what's .gs? I have no idea. So what happens now? Okay, so that's correct. Oh wait, this should be a leaderboard. Wait, no. What? Why did it not change? Oh. Did you get the golden strawberry in chapter 3? No, I have. Why was slow mode on? Because of spam. But why didn't the border change? It just didn't. Excuse me, that is not leaderboard box.p. What the? Why did it not save? Oh, because I saved it as a PDN. Hilarious. Ha ha ha. I hate everything. So guess what? It's a PNG now. Gotta love file extent. The website, I have the domain. It's gdbrowser.com, but it just shows like nothing. Wow, okay, let's see how much this ruins the website. I should get rid of those little shadows, but other than that, it's... Once I add the tabs on top, it won't look nearly as bad. Friend me on Geometresh, my name is... I do not friend people that I don't know, unfortunately, but, if anyone in the chat wants to friend him, I guess. Anyways, thanks for the donation, man.
Friend me in geometry dash my username is on.
I do want to make one thing clear that I do not do things for money. So if you donate to me and expect me to like do something in return, please do not donate for that. Especially if you please do not donate just to get a message across to me. There are infinite ways you could reach me. You could reach me through Discord, Twitter, I don't know, email even. But like, please donate out of like generosity. Don't feel forced to do it or anything. Okay, the shadow's gone. It's not terrible anymore. No, wait, you can still kind of see it. I'm trying to look at the chat as much as I can. Wait, what? Is there a shadow or is there not a shadow? Is there like some shadow I'm not seeing here? Have you played OneShot? Guess what my desktop background is? No, I haven't played OneShot. I'm kidding, I have. It's a great game. What's your Discord tag? I don't accept friend requests on Discord, but if you want to join my server, it's in the description, so you can get me through there. Okay. You know what? Let's plug the Discord server. Moderators, half heart, get ready, because it is going to get wild. Oh my god, so many DMs. Half, you flooded my... Okay, it's gonna get whack. Where's the welcome channel? No, if I open this up, I'm gonna accidentally reveal the secret Nitro channel. Hashtag definitely not... Hey, can someone type hashtag welcomes? You know, I'm just gonna type how come welcomes and good eyes. I can't reveal the secret Nitro channel with Kecker cringe. Wow, look at all the people. It's gonna take you 10 minutes to join the server. Oh my god. It's gonna be 10 minutes, but if you have a new Discord account, like if you're new to Discord, say I believe if you're less than 2 days old, then raid protection will trigger on my bot, Robotop, which I made as well. Raid protection will trigger and you will not be allowed, and just DM me when the 10 minutes pass. I can also do time roll sync. So yeah, you do have to wait 10 minutes to join. In the meantime, let's keep messing. Hold on, wait. TR sync. Checking from... It just scans for missing time roll.
Hit thief dab.
Okay, I should probably... I have created chaos. Haven't I?
Hey colon, can you receive money from me on YouTube? My username is right here.
Thank you for the donation, man. What do you mean by that? Play Hollow Knight. I already have played Hollow Knight. I like those questions, stale pudding. Okay. That'll be fun. Alright. Back to this. So now we need to get the creator tab and the other tab. Now, I believe these... Wait, no, I don't think these are hard... Are these images hard-coded? Yeah, I think these images are probably hard... I know a lot of images I actually have to like screenshot and crop, but I think those ones, since they have different colors, are hard-coded. So I should actually be able to find them in here. There we go. I see global. Wait, no, I don't want global leaderboard. I want search for... Can we get a search for tab? There we go. Top 100 and creators. And we're gonna do some graphic design, so get hyped, everyone. So first thing we're gonna do is fix this horrible coloring. So, you know, we're gonna start by making a blank tab, because we have some work we need to do here. So, paintbrush tool. Yeah. You can't tell anything is wrong. No, seriously, you can't. Because I'm going to take this. And I'm going to do that. Great. Now let's do it once more for the top behind. For, Wait, why is the tab just, like, hanged like that? Oh, I see. I see why it does that. You know what? I don't care. We're not having that here at 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. Are you using some kind of API? I made the API. Well, it's using Geometry Dash's API, but I made my own simpler version of it for anyone who's interested in doing this for themselves. Just to be nice, let's extend this outwards a little. Cool, cool. Now we have our tab. So we're gonna have two of these. One is gonna be this, and one of them is gonna be green. I like this green better. They're different greens. Okay. Let me fix that up. No, too much. Yeah, that seems about right. Can you play Untitled Goose Game? I do not have it. Fantastic. This still kind of feels wrong to me. This coloring. I'll fix it in the future, worst comes to. I don't like the color. There we go. Yeah, I've improved. No, that one just looks like puke. There we go. Nice field green. Colon password reveal. I never wrote copyright 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦 anywhere. I did not reveal my password anywhere. Oh my, hey, it's Senko-san profile photo again. Good anime. Speaking of anime, this homework folder is literally just Konosuba. Anyways. So now we have to copy this text. What is the website name going to be? It's gdbrowser.com, which is, again, I've revealed before, but I know there's people who pop in and out. Oh, God. I did not reveal my name or anything. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. It's fine. Alright, yeah, it looks like this. Whatever, I've revealed my name many times. It's Craig. I feel like, I don't know, I feel it's weird. Hey, Voltage. Green. So we're doing top 250. I dare you play my profile and play my levels. Maybe a little bit later. Maybe after the stream. Hit me up on Discord. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of art. So get excited, everyone. First thing we're gonna do, grab our favorite font, crank up that font size, make it white, and type top, no. 65, 60, 58. I think I have GIMP actually. I just prefer, yeah, I do. GIMP 2. I just prefer paint.net. Okay, I think this looks about right. Top 250. Top 10 N-words. I have top 10 N-words memorized. I'm so sorry. Top 250. Good. Okay, wait. I just had a Nobel Prize winning idea. What if I make a huge 1,000 by 1,000 canvas? Put figure A here. And put figure B here. So we're gonna recreate this exact... Okay, wait. We actually need multiple things. So we need... Whoop. 55. We need... top 100, accurate, and creators. And the font size will be 60. VR, I don't have VR, it's way too expensive. So now, drop shot. Now this can be a little bit bigger. Wait, I meant to write top 250. Okay, anyways, this does have to be bigger. So new layer, top 250. Oh wait, it's because I made it bigger. Whatever, I guess we're changing our reference image to that. Did you code the website? Yeah, I did. Alright. This is annoying. Let's use this as a reference, I guess. 40, 45, 44, 43. We found the font size, everybody. Top 250 and accurate. So now we just have to recreate this perfectly. So first things first, we're gonna do a drop shadow. Like that. Yeah, looks about right. Now we need to add an actual shadow. Oh wait, there's also like a little inner shadow. So I guess I'll copy the color of this shadow, and then I'll just go, I'll recolor everything to that. No, that's not right. I'll just make this completely black and then make it transparent until we get the color we want. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that looks about right. I don't really know how to make a proper shadow. Maybe I should have done that the other way around. Change of plans. This one is now white. And the other one is now... Oh, change of plans. This one is now white. And the other one is now not white. There's definitely gonna be a 14-year-old who yells like, "That's racist," if I say the word black. So you know what? You know what? That just isn't correct, like, at all. Oh wait, you know why? Because... Okay, now it's just a shadow. Okay, there has to be another way to do an inner shadow. I think there's actually a plugin for it. Dang you, RobTop. Dang you. Inner shadow, there we are. We're gonna do minus 90 degrees. Goodness. This just looks weird. I think we want it at regular 90. What is this? It just feels like... Wait a minute. Okay, no. It just looks wrong. I don't like this. What about bevel? Yeah. Bevel's kind of whack. Yeah. I tried, I really want to contact RobTop for permission, but I can't get in touch with him. But if he ends up like IP banning the site or something, then I'm gonna try to get like Viper in to help me get in touch with him. That's what he agreed to it. How about this? Let's go to a secret website I made. You remember this? Let's go to well, and it's frozen. Remember this could help. I just realized. So we're gonna type in all the things here. Top 250. Wait, what were the other ones? Creators. I made this site as well. And accurate. We're gonna click generate. You'll see where I'm going with this. I swear. I swear. Wait, that's not how you spell accurate, is it? I think it's only one. Why do I have a plagiarism trigger? Yeah. No, wait, that is how you spell accurate. Open image in new tab. We're going to change this to gold font and add. So now if we click enter, this one takes forever. So, and we're gonna add white to the end. There we go. So this one doesn't actually have the shadow, but it still has everything else we want. So you know what? That's a win for me. So yeah, that's a secret website in case you want the geometry font and quick. So now we're gonna plug these in one by one. First one, top 250. Problem, yes. Okay, I should keep track of how much I'm resizing this by. Okay, what's the best way to know how much to resize this? Okay, wait, we're gonna have to do math. So right now it's 600 wide. Now it is 330 wide. How do we change something from 600 to 330? We're gonna use this to calculate it for us. Is it 90%? 80%? Can you make a RobTop logo generator? That's a little more complicated, so unfortunately not. We drop it by 55%. So we are going to resize it, not nearest neighbor, by 55%, and now we have the exact size we want. Yep, this is big brain time.
Can you make a RobTop logo generator?
I just said, I know since the stream donation is a little delayed, it's surprisingly complicated to do that. So that's one. I just realized it may need to be even smaller because of these ones. I'll just make the actual text smaller because that's what RobTop does. So that is number 2. And finally, number 3. Accurate leaderboards won't be coming yet, but I'll just have the image. Let's center all of these. Okay. Now we're gonna do the actual center we want, which would be like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're gonna save these one by one. PNG. Tab. Accurate. Off. Now we're gonna do creators. We're gonna save that as tab creators off. Yeah, it's wave dash dot.ppt. Yeah, voltage. It's awesome to have you on the stream. Tab top 250 off. Sorry I had to join. It's such a boring part. I'm just gonna call it off. Can you make a level generate? What? How does that? I have many questions. Wow, look, now we have tab top on. Isn't it absolutely brilliant? Something about the color bothers me, but you know what? Now we're gonna do tab creators on. And gosh darn, finally, tab accurate on. And then we don't have any more of this garbage anymore, and we could actually get on with the program. Oh, I'm glad we have that out of the way. Oops, I closed Chrome. Did I? Yeah, I still have this up. No, we actually put the tabs on. Alright, we're gonna do, div. Yeah, class equals tab. We don't need an ID. Score tabs, because I'm too lazy to write leaderboard tabs. We're gonna do the first image, which is, so image, no, we don't want the GD button class. src equals dot slash assets. What did I call it again? Oh, it's right there. We'll start with tab top off. Show me the money. Time to position it. Style, position, absolute. Absolute positioning is a last resort, but I am effing lazy. So you know what? And we're gonna go left is 0 VH. Top is 0%. And we're gonna figure out where to put this dang thing using inspect element. So normally it goes like here. There's only gonna be 3 tabs, so I have room. Oh wait, normally it's like here. 21.5, yeah, 21 VH I would say. In the and then we actually have to make the width. I mean, height equals like 10 VH. Maybe. I'll fix that up. Height does not equal 10 VH. Sorry about that one. Height equals 30 VH. Width equal... No, height is equal to 30%. I think the shadow on the logo generator is correct. Height is 100 VH. No, that's a little too big. Height is 80 VH. Does that look about right? 85, 90. Can we go higher?
Shadow in GD logo gen is high and
this photo is not correct. It just loaded wrong. And now the top has to become 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, no, 2.4, 2.4, 2.45. Please, Colin, can you release it and you can report bugs and give... I'm gonna release it when, like, there's gonna be enough stuff that's, like, done. What did I make the height again? 90 VH. So do we have tab 1? There's the first tab. It might be possible to link your account to the website, but you're going to have to do something a little bit sketchy. You'd have to actually enter in your username and your password into the site. But hypothetically, I could store those things in your cookies, which is like basically when a browser stores stuff on your computer, it's called your cookies. So technically, I could store your password on your own computer instead of storing it in like a database I make, so I won't have access to it. But linking accounts is like far down the road and might not even happen. Next tab. That'd be accurate. You know what? Accurate just isn't happening yet. Creators. Accurate will come down the road. And we need a little bit of spacing there. So let's have that spacing. Class equals side space. I'm glad I made that. That is not side space. Wait, what? How does that happen? What the? Did I forget like a quote? Oh, I did. I just forgot it. How did you do the Google Home to GD thing? I used a program called IFTTT.
You said in a stream a while ago you would fix it.
Oh, I did? How big do you want the shadow? Okay, side space clearly isn't the option. Let's try margin left. I'll look into it, I guess. Why the heck not? I mean, you donated. What the? No, we do want side space. Go back to side space. Width. 40%. I don't know. Sounds good. There we go. Look at that. We have the button that switched it to the wrong preset for 5 seconds and closes your... Says the guy who said he won't do things for Johnny. I feel like someone's pulling up a racist tweets. Aw, Steven the Pro 79, thank you so much. Alright, we're gonna actually give these classes leaderboard tab, and class is also leaderboard tab. Let's make leaderboard tab an actual thing. Dot leaderboard tab cursor pointer. So now when I hover over a leaderboard tab, you can see my mouse actually does the little hand thing. Oh wait, when you click it, it darkens. That is an easy do. Dot leaderboard tab active. Filter. What's it called? Brightness 75%. Stop opening snipping tool. 2 can play at that game, Rob Top. I think it's more like 90%. Also, you should not be able to drag the image around. So, user select none. Wait, is it user select? I thought it was... Yeah, it is user select is none. Oh wait, not under active, just regular. Oh, is it user drag? Is that a thing? Oh, WebKit user drag. Wow, this is why I do things on stream. because people teach me things that I didn't know. Look, you can't drag it anymore. It's brilliant. So now we have to actually make it do cool stuff when you click it. Oh yeah, one more thing. When you visit someone's profile, it actually shows their icon up here, which is pretty neat. Where did you learn to code? Self-taught. Oh yeah, also this is the wrong icon, but who cares? Wait, shouldn't this say global rank when you... Yeah, you can see if I go to like 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦's profile, it shows their little icon. 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗡's profile, there's the icon. I like that little... It's the small things. And also, additionally, if you go to a level, it shows the difficulty face there. It's the little things. Okay, so... Now we make these tabs actually do stuff. What are we gonna call them? ID top tab. ID creator tab. 2J query, yeah! Hashtag top tab. Dot click. Function. What's it gonna do? It's gonna alert you're fat. I usually just do this to make sure it works. So when we click it, it will alert you are fat. It is not alerting you are fat. What the? That was not supposed to happen. Why doesn't top tab exist, by the way? Oh, because I forgot a quotation mark. Now it alerts you are fat. Inspect element strikes. I really shouldn't make it load all of these icons. I feel like that's not too... I'll probably find a better way to do that down the road. I am such an idiot for doing that. Don't worry. I have some tricks up my sleeve. We're gonna change this to %. Okay, that's an oopsie. Honestly, that actually worked pretty well, and I'll just make the width longer. I did not expect that scroll spy plugin or something, so the page will... What's scroll spy? Well, that's why we have Google. Also, I don't like the side space. When you don't like it, we try side space B. Don't like it? Side space C. I have a lot of these. There we go. Wait, what's it called? Your name is Brickitect. Scroll spy. Who dis?
Compare official and Ginad logo in burning money.
I'm confused. Okay, W3 Schools really likes it. Okay, Gav, just tell me what Scroll Spy does. You can hit me up on Discord. How do you get my GD icon? Theory2 with 3 coins. Hey Chris, what's up? Okay, you're in charge of helping me set up Scroll Spy. I'm on Discord. You know where to find me. So now, we're gonna change this to the other one. This dot. Is that it? Is that even a thing? No, it's... So now when you clip it, it should switch back and forth. Yay! That looks pretty cool. But we have to actually make sure we do this at the right time. Sort equals top. Wait, no, let sort equals top. Oh wait, no, we don't actually have to need... I'm gonna change this to top tab as well. So here's what it's going to do. It's going to turn top tab on, and it's going to turn creator tab off. And now we just do something for the other way around. There's probably a more efficient way to code this, but I don't want to hear it. How about that? What does it look like in actual jump? Oh, it's just not clickable anymore. That's a pretty clever idea, actually. Just not making it clickable. What's the fastest way to do that? Aha! How about we make something called leaderboard click dot leaderboard, and we'll also make it so that's what changes your cursor. So now none of these make it look like they're clickable, but when it's off, it has leaderboard click. So one time I died on mobile through my phone across the... That is not a smart idea. You should not throw your phone. I question your sanity. Where are the tabs again? So this one is leaderboard click. So now only this one is clickable. This one poo-poo. Wait a minute. What? Thought I added leaderboard click. Oh, I wrote leaderboard. That sounds German. And then add class. Add class. Add class. Add class. Add class. Remove class. Remove class. No, remove class. On April Fool's, put only yourself on the leaderboard. Wow, it's amazing. It actually works surprisingly well. So finally, the final thing, we're so close. Oh, actually we should do let's sort. Let type equals top. And I could do this. If type equals top, alert already top. And then I could do type equals return alert, so it doesn't run the rest of the code. That way you don't have to write else and then a bracket and stuff. And then for this one, type equals creator. So now wait. If I click top 250, nothing else, but if I click it again, it alerts me. So that'll be useful later on. Is coding this... you just have to have the right mindset for coding it. So, now I can make this code only run when you click it for the first time, which is very good, very good. And now we're gonna make it, oh yeah, function... How many of you guys have, like, actual coding experience? Let me know in the chat. What do I call this function? Leaderboard. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Functions. I'm doing a little bit of Python in school, but it's, like, super easy. Like, we're doing... Because some of the kids have to start from the ground up in Python in my computer science class, so it's nothing too exciting. Now we have to actually run the function, or else you're stupid. So this will make it fill the creator leaderboard instead. Oh wait, we could just do type and then add type to the end. Brilliant. Are you in college yet? I am in the middle of high school. So now, no wait, I don't even have to put type there. But I just have to put leaderboard after this is defined. So now... But wait, I'm gonna have to actually clear the leaderboard as well. So I'm gonna change the HTML to what the default is before it's actually loaded. And then append it once more. And then just run the leaderboard function. And I believe that should switch between the two. Who are you, Jonathan Goney? Why are you here? Who are you? Did I get an error? Who are you? What did I... So I'm sending a fetch to localhost /API/leaderboard top. It should just do that. Oh, whoopsie. That's a little bit better. Who are you? Why are you here? What are you fetching? Console log, whatever this is. Console log, wherever it's fetching from, because you are being weird and you're scaring me. So, wait. Is it creator or creators? I might as well change the API so it allows you to write creator or creators, because I'm nice. Boom. Reboot this. So now I think if I type creator or creators, it works. Yay. Jonathan Goney has entered the chat. Okay, is he like taking over our stream? And who are you? Why are you... What? What is this? What is this? Oh. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do this for each person in the leaderboard. Every single time. Oh, I see. That's the person at position 250. Because for each person in the leaderboard, it's clearing the whole thing. So we just have to put it over here. That's coding. So now it clears the leaderboard and then it does that. Whoa, look, it's these friends again. And this should be green. So you know what? Let's make it green. Top tab on. Now it's on by default. And if I go here, great. That's what we want. I mean, we could add a loading icon. Yeah, let's add a loading icon and then call it the end of the stream. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to clear it before we fetch from the API so it doesn't nice and speedy like this. See? And then we're going to do some magic. Let loading equals false. When this happens, loading equals true. If type equals creator or loading, that way it won't run this code when it's loading. Because we don't want it to mess stuff up. We have to wait for the loading to finish first now. So now if loading equals true, we're gonna do a second check just to be safe. Yes, I'm doing 2 checks, seriously. Because we have to be mega safe. So now loading is true. When it's in this function. And then when it's finally done, loading equals false. You're in the middle of high school and you sound so intelligent. Aw, I'm honored. Everyone says I'm an idiot. Everyone says I'm fat and stupid, even though I'm only 100 pounds. And I'm like 5'2". Oh yeah, and we'll actually show the loading thing as well. So loading dot show, and then after all this, loading hide. How does that look? Show it to me. Whoa, it's perfect. I think we have the leaderboard done. That's pretty epic. That's actually awesome. We have the leaderboard done. So wait, now if I go back to the home page, I can actually ungray out the leaderboard button, because it exists now. Where is the leaderboard button? I put it over at, oh, wait. Doo-doo. So this can actually be ahref equals dot slash equals, that's a minus, leaderboard. This is not out of order anymore. And it actually takes you to the leaderboard. Sweet. And we can completely remove the part that says leaderboards are coming soon, trademarked. Great. So now we have all the buttons done. That's pretty cool. So wait, I think on my Twitter somewhere, I posted a list of all the stuff that's still left to do. I'm probably gonna end the stream now, but wait, let me find that list. Here's the list. So things that, so I do have, oh, I actually said I was gonna do leaderboards after release. Brick Attack, what do you have to tell me? So things that are still left. Number 1, you cannot search for humans. If I try to type curl in and click this button, nothing happens. Problem number 2, green usernames. Have I started OR yet? No. This just displays as by minus, whereas if you're an actual Geometry, it would... Wait, what? It's minus in Geometry What? Wait, is there anyone with a green name that isn't minus? Yeah, you can. Anarchy22. Here, if you go to API/level 1, so if you do 128, it sends you this. But if you add download to it, it'll actually download the level and give you all the data for the level as well. So the reason it doesn't do that right off the bat is because the way it's getting all this information is simply just by searching for the level and not actually downloading it, because it does it much, much, much faster than if it actually would download it. Although if you do it, if you do it that way, then you can't get, there are a couple things you can't get. You won't be able to get the date it was uploaded, the date it was updated, and if it has low detail mode or not. So it's a small price to pay for salvation. If you type level/daily, it'll always be downloaded, just because that's how daily levels work. the ID for the daily level is actually just -1. Whatever the daily level is, its level ID is -1, and the weekly demons is -2. So that's pretty neat. I want to see if I can find a guy with a green name that just... Bruh. I don't know, I feel like bruh would be... Yeah, see, this guy is called TCSS99, and his name is green. So what would happen if I searched for that in this? It's actually gold in here. That's interesting. But his profile doesn't exist. Will the site fix... Unfortunately, I can't actually show the upload date of the level. Because again, these levels aren't actually being downloaded, so you can't show it. Although I might add an option to just display it. I might add an option that says like load dates at the bottom. So you can expect that. What else do I still have to do? Cross-site scripting. I believe there are some situations where you could actually run scripts, although I think I have it fixed. Also, support for shorter screens, because we don't want this. It gets kind of screwed up like that. It's kind of fine for that one. If you go too far, it makes you flip your device the other way. Profiles need to be done as well. Let's go to an actual existent profile. I know it's green. Green means it's not an actual account. Oh wait, that's not a... This is a... So if we go to a profile, wait, what? Do I have to type in... Yeah, because my name... When I registered for Geometry, my name was in capitals. So not only are comments not here... I'm probably going to use my comment generator to make comments appear. This button does nothing. This button does nothing. I'm probably going to make these two just tell you if the user has, like, friends enabled or not. And, yeah, you can actually view people's levels, so that's pretty cool. Also, you can't enter a page number here. Look, I actually have a featured level. Isn't that cool? It's horrible. It is an absolutely horrendous level. Anything else worth mentioning before I leave this? What? I actually kind of am curious. What happens if I open my fonts folder and I import the wrong 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦? I'm feeling risky today. I want to see what happens if I do that. Okay, everyone. Gas masks on. Here are my fonts. Gas masks on, everybody. Here's 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. It's spelt poo for a reason. Go to the assets folder. I'm curious. I'm a curious guy. So we're going to change this to 𝗗𝗢𝗡_ so it doesn't... What does that look like? If the 𝗗𝗢𝗡 font isn't actually downloaded, and I cache refresh... Okay. Oh. Oh, yeah, that... This feels so, like, formal. I love it. I love it. It's, like, formal now. Alright, everyone. Careful. We're venturing into scary territory here. I'm clicking refresh. That ain't right. Oh wait, it's because this should be actually called 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. Here we go! Okay, wrong 𝗗𝗢𝗡 loaded. And it's huge! For one thing, it's ginormous. I'm leaving it this. Why is Area 51 Kitsune? Yay! I like this guy. He has good taste in level names. This is, like, not good. Let's go back to regular 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. Yay, we're back to normal. Let's, like... Can you say hello to me and Jade and such? Hello, Steven the Pro 789 and Jaden / Serious Guy. You are cool. And I think you're cool. Yeah. Have a good day. Rob Chop coming for ya. I guess that's about all the work I did for today. Again, if you want to go to the website right now, it just looks like this. So we'll change it to 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦. I'm not ready to like post the website yet. And is there anything I should put on this page in the meantime? Yeah, I know. The Celeste wave dash. Okay, wait. This stream has been going on for about 2 hours and 15 minutes, so that means this thing has looped about 9 times. Might as well drop a like. This deserves more than 199 views. Half Heart sent me a photo in DMs. Let's go and I don't want to like. I only want it from. Oh, we have a new emoji suggestion on our server. Someone wants a diamond emoji. Mind diamonds. Maybe. What did Half send me? Is that a finger? Oh yeah, by the way, new video coming soon. Get excited. I have a script for another video coming very soon, and that video is about the making of my newest Geometry Dash level, which means that not only do I have a new video, not only do I have a new video coming. Not only do I have a new video coming, yes, I also have a new level coming, and that level is going to be very cool, and you're going to love it, and it's going to be very cool, and if you want to get all 3 coins, you have to beat it 3 times in a row. Wait, no, not 3 times in a row, just 3 times. How do you do an emoji? Basically, how that works is, you put your suggestion in this Google form, and then it uses webhooks, Google it, to, automatically put it in this channel. Let's read some DMs. Chris, did you make this profile photo? This looks like your style. This looks exactly like the style. It should be checked for a change. Ah, it is. I'm not surprised. I love it. Absorb. Which one was absorb again? What was the context again? We're reading DM. Stream snipe. Woof. 36 people joined in 4 minutes. Tell me if you want to join me, Kahoot. Burn money. No you. Who's gonna contact you through email? Nobody. Not funny. Didn't. This is going fast. Bentai. What's your texture pack? I'm Obama. My texture pack, I just made it myself. What are you using a code? Do you eat coffee or do you drink it? I drink it. That's all, folks. Oh wait, I should not leak this channel. I do a lot of private testing in there. The next person to DM me is getting intro cars sent to them. I only accept friend requests for people I know. You're getting intro cars sent to you. Hold on. Intro car. Intro car. Don't worry, Stev. You get car. Wait, no, you get portal blue, car, nothing, nothing, intro, portal orange. I like that one. Carl Duty Black Cop. And you're gonna get Rit. This time it's the same, but now you're getting Rit and Fur. I have a good emoji collection. Oh, you want something? How about we give you the entirety of a club step? Well, just that. You, San. I'm glad you like it. Pull up clipboard history. You get club step 1. I messed that up. Let's try that again. I need to send this a little bit better. This has just turned into meme review. Alright, Glaceon. Prepare for all of Club Step. An entire Club Step monster out of 40 emojis. Oh yeah, a bunch of new gauntlets. That looks really cool. And you're also getting He Ride. Don't ask who Joe is. Someone turn this into a meme, please. Damn it. Okay, also with the club step thing, I also made a couple other fun things. This one as well. The song is wavedash.ppt from Celeste. Nope. Next. Don't worry, I'm Canadian, so I'm allowed to laugh at those memes, actually. Just kidding, I can't. Yeah, he pinned it. Actually. Hold on. I do the portal emoji thing. It's just a bunch of custom emojis I made. Let's invite this guy to the Club Step emoji. The Club Step server. Here you go. Okay, this is not gonna end. You only get intro. Poo Poo is a brutal version of Connect 4. Another Club Step invite. Creeper. Nerd. Okay, so we're gonna end this video with a quick spoiler. I think we could turn wavedash.ppt off now. Sorry, Jup Dub. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to close everything. Next, I'm going to link to save my Geometry Dash account on my phone, because that's where I do all my level creating. And you guys will get to see a spoiler of my my newest level. Hold on, my account is syncing. The Wi-Fi in my room is actually pretty bad. It's just that I use Ethernet on my computer. I turned off my texture pack for something. I'm not really sure why. Okay, save data backed up. Let's load that bad boy. How do you get an animated wallpaper? Use wallpaper engine. They're grooving. Okay, my icons are synced. There it is. Wait, I just want to avoid spoilers for a second. So I'm just going to go to my other monitor. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, I just realized it has... I didn't even intend for this, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. Okay. This is the only spoiler you get. I am very bad at controlling on Steam. It's so laggy when you play in windowed mode, I'm sorry. I should probably talk in case this gets copyrighted because that would be very bad. So, yeah, it's just an ordinary Geometry Dash level. Nothing to see here. Super ordinary Geometry Dash level. Super ordinary Geometry Dash level. There is absolutely nothing special about it whatsoever. If there was, then you'd have to wait for the actual level to come out. But too bad, because I jumped into a spike and now it's over. I have this alarm set so I don't forget to brush my teeth, because by the time because it's always like 2 a.m. by the time I realize that I haven't. Haha, haha, ordinary Geometry Dash level. Later, nerds. I have the script written, so it's a little more of like a, I'm not sure what the style of the video is. I guess like a Sieve Gaming-ish one. I guess you'll just have to wait to figure out what the secret of that level is. Feel free to make a game explain style analysis.
Can I have mod?
Alright, I'll step you through this. So you're gonna go to Google, you're gonna type in Minecraft Forge. You're going to go to Minecraft Forge. And you're going to download the latest version, and now you have mod. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for watching. It was awesome spending time with you. I should do this more often. If you want to tune into my channel tomorrow, tomorrow at I believe 2 p.m. I'm going to be streaming UHC with 𝗗𝗢𝗡𝗦, so that'll be a lot of fun. I didn't even know OBS has a dark theme, but I use light theme for everything except for Discord, because I like light theme. Except when if I browse Reddit and bed, I switch to dark theme. Anyways, I don't like saying goodbye. This was actually a really fun stream. It was so chill, just hanging around with you guys. I'm sorry, I don't post enough. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys around. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys weren't too bored with all this coding and stuff. Anyways, yeah. Bye-bye. I miss you. Alright. Take care. Did you know that I just keep going on. Fun fact. If you want to sound a million times smarter, say take care instead of goodbye. This has been introvert advice with GD Craig. Alright, bye-bye. No. We're back. We're back. Just a second. I just realized we should do a raid. Raids are cool. Raids are cool. Is this stream back? Is this stream back? We have to do a raid. We have to do a raid. Okay. Check this out. We're gonna go Geometry Dash. We're gonna click live. Who are we gonna raid? Zitadek. Oh, there's Zed Plays. He's streaming. That's pretty cool. Will he be the one?
I see what my mistake was.
Wait. Before you go. No, we're not raiding Zed. I want to raid someone I don't know. This is good because he has a mic and everything. But before you go, is he subscribed to me? It's always fun to see if they're subscribed to you. Because he has a subs. Most people have their subs public. I have my subs public. Oh, yes, he is. Yes, he is. All right, let's Okay, wait. No. Before you do it, what are we gonna? Don't just say colon raid. We're not just saying colon raid. We can be better than that. We have to say something. Everyone say bruh sound effect number 2.
Okay, I made the same
like
mistake.
this.
I forgot hold again.
You're gonna do it like that.
Hello, Sim.
1, 2. Everyone click the link. Everyone click the link. Go! My children!
Shoot!
My children! Oh yeah, Brussels sound effect number
Yeah,
2.
that last 50% is really easy.
I forgot about
Not
Brussels sound
totally
effect
great.
number 2.
Yay.
Here we go.
What the? What?
I feel like I made it look too spammy.
Oh no.
Oops.
My stream is being raided. What's happening? Oh no, I'm being raided at around 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Bruh sound effect. I don't have it. I can't
Make your death sound, bruh sound effect.
bruh sound effect.
Alright. I'm gonna end my own stream now, but you can see his
I
stream.
can't believe that my stream gets raided by Colin.
Bye-bye.